So Python 3.14 is just released. So let's see how we can install this and run our first Python application on Windows 10, 11, or wherever you are. So I'll just hover over here, click on this, and I'll have this link in the description below. You can just click on the link and you'll be taken here. Once the download is complete, just click on open file and your installation wizard will come. You need to check this add python.exe to path because you want to use Python from terminal too. If you don't do this, you'll have to do this manually. So just make sure you keep this checked and just click on install now. Once the installation is complete, you can just click on close, and now you can open your terminal and use Python from your terminal or run applications using Python. We will see how to do that in just a minute, but first let's check if our Python is installed successfully by checking Python version. So you can just type python --version, and as you can see, we have installed Python 3.14. Now let's write a simple hello world application and run it using Python. Okay, so I'll just close this and let's make that in desktop itself. So I'll just click on new and new text document. I'll just name this main.py. Click yes here. Now, as you can see, you'll see a Python icon here. In your case, you might not see this, but in any case, just right click on this and click on open with. If you have an IDE like Visual Studio Code, Cursor, or whatever, you can open the file in those IDEs, but you can just open in Notepad too because you just need to write code. I'll just write print and then hello world. Save it, close it, and now to run it, you need to open terminal and you need to browse to this directory wherever you have stored main.py. So right now I'm inside my user directory, okay, and this is in desktop. So I'll have to browse to desktop. To do that, I can do cd, that stands for change directory, and then this is inside Vishal, inside OneDrive, and then there's desktop. So now I will go inside OneDrive, inside desktop, and here we are. Now this is the directory where I have stored this. Now if you are confused with this, what you can do is just go wherever your file is, right? You can just browse to that directory. Desktop is generally inside your current user, inside OneDrive in Windows, and then inside desktop, okay? Here you will see that main.py. And now a quick tip for Windows users is to just click on this address bar here and type cmd and hit enter, and command prompt will open and you will be inside this directory. Okay, so this is also something you can do, but since I have already browsed or navigated inside this directory, I can just type Python. And what to do using Python? Using Python, I want to run the file. What's the file name? Main.py. So I'll type main.py and hit enter. And as you can see, the Python file is now executed and hello world is printed. So this is how you can install Python 3.14 and run your first Python application. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.